In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a comment section on Squarespace. We'll walk through exactly where to find the settings, how to turn comments on for your blog, and which options you might want to customize so the conversation on your site feels the way you want it to. First, log into your Squarespace account and open the website you want to work on. Once you're in the main dashboard for that site, look down to the bottom left corner of the screen and find the small gear icon. This gear opens your site's main settings panel, so go ahead and click it. Inside the settings panel, make sure you're on the website tab. From here, scroll until you see an option called Blog Preferences. This is where Squarespace keeps all the global settings that affect how your blog posts behave. Click on Blog Preferences and then look for comment settings within that section. Next, click on Comment Settings. At the top of this page, you'll see an option to enable comments globally. Turn this on. As soon as you enable comments globally, a whole set of additional options will appear underneath. These controls let you fine-tune how your comment section works across your blog. You can choose to allow simple comment likes if you want visitors to be able to quickly react to comments. You can turn on Require Approval if you'd like to manually approve comments before they go live, which is useful for keeping spam or inappropriate content off your site. You'll also see an option to allow anonymous comments. If you enable this, people can leave a comment without creating an account, which can increase participation but may require more moderation. There are options for threaded comments, which allow replies to appear nested under a specific comment, making longer discussions easier to follow. You can also choose to show avatars so visitors can see a small image next to each commenter's name. Below that, you'll find settings for enabling comments by default on new posts, choosing the sort order for comments, and automatically disabling comments after a certain number of days. You can set this anywhere from never, meaning comments are always open, up to 100 days using the slider. There's also a similar slider for allowing comment flags, which lets visitors flag problematic comments for a set number of days. Once you've adjusted everything to your liking, go up to the top right corner of the screen and click Save. After that, your comment settings are applied and your Squarespace blog is ready to start collecting comments. And that's it.